everyone, welcome to day 15 of the 31 Days to Get Organised challenges, and one of my favourite challenges that I do every year. So today is Martin Luther King Day, and for me that says that it's also a day to reach out to people. So what I'd love you to do is to reach out to someone that you've fallen out of contact with. Maybe it's an old friend or a family member or an ex-co-worker, because sometimes clutter can also be just the passage of time or a misspoken word or something that's just gotten between you and someone who you were previously close to. Now, this is not via email, but by phone. And tell that person that the only reason you're contacting them is because you were thinking of them and wanted to reach out and say hi. This is always one of the most popular challenges, and I'd love to hear who you connect with today.